Joy to the World is a famous Christmas carol with lyrics by Isaac Watts, based on Psalm 98, and music by Lowell Mason. It celebrates God's reign and the joy it brings to the world, focusing on themes of peace, love, and nature's rejoicing. Joy to the World is indeed a great choice to play on piano. It has an uplifting and energetic melody that sounds beautiful on the piano, especially when arranged with dynamic crescendos. Plus, it's perfect for the holiday season, bringing warmth and joy to listeners. Practice the C major scale before trying to play the melody. You become comfortable with the notes used in the melody. Practicing the C major scale will help you recognize and play these notes confidently. Sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa pa da da ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga sa ni da pa ma ga ga ma pa ga re ga ma ga ri sa da pa ma ga ri sa. We hope you enjoyed the content and are excited to continue this musical journey with us. You can try the melody on your piano, and if you have any questions or need clarification, feel free to ask in the comment section. I'll be happy to assist you. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest lessons. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials. Thank you.